Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you beautiful cosmetic website template, e-commerce template, fully responsive and totally free of cost. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful cosmetic website template. See my friends. Just beautiful. I will show you its responsiveness as well. Let me read out it first. See guys. Fully responsive. Will work for all the device. And guys, also I will share this template in Angular and React and Vue.js as well. And also please share your views on it. Let me show you its fully the search bar, the mini cart, just brilliant, see friends, mini cart, the menus and mega menus, the top beautiful slider, just build it. I'm sure you will like it. Guys, also please like and share this video as well. See guys. Beautiful effect, quick view as well. See guys, beautiful quick view. It's a video we will add here or deal today section, testimonial, cosmetic blog section, beautiful subscribe section, followers in Instagram section guys, and beautiful footer as well. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, friends, you can get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. And guys, also on my blog, you'll get multiple free things like for Angular, React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, free admin dashboards, or I can say thousands of admin dashboard templates, and all are free of course, you guys. And guys, back to cosmetic templates and friends. Like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description, and after it, I will come with this template in Angular and React version as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.